Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Twitter or X updated failed. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply check the internet connection before updating. If the internet connection is not stable, you can face the issue, and if the internet connection is stable and you have facing the issue after the internet stable, you can just simply do the few things. You can just simply clear cache of your app, and after clearing cache, you can just simply update the app through the website, and after this the issue is solved. And the issue is not solved, you can just simply reinstall the app and restart your device. And after restarting your device, you can just simply reinstall the Twitter or X application again, and the issue is 100% solved after this. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.